Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into ASDA credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to log into your ASDA credit card online, then the first thing to do is to open up a web browser. Into the URL box at the top, type in money.asda.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in this page, go to the upper right hand corner and click on this credit card login button. You'll be able to see these options. Click on this credit card login button and in the sign in area, type in your email or your phone number registered with your ASDA account. You can type in any one of them, and now head over to the password field and type in your password correct. If you don't remember your password, click on this forgotten password link and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials, check this Remember Me box before you log in, or if you're using a public or a shared device, make sure to leave it unchecked for your security. So after you are done filling in all of the details, click the sign in button in order to get access to your ASDA money or your ASDA credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.